There are 7.5 billion people on the planet, and half, or 2.8 billion of them, are on the internet. Of those 3.8 billion, 74% are active social media users. Yes, 74%. Identifying your target market and creating a digital marketing strategy which includes social media is the key to building a powerful and effective online footprint. However, the biggest mistake that most companies make is to assume a social media plan is their marketing code. Your social media plan should form part of your overall marketing strategy, not be a substitute for it. So, what is the most effective way to achieve this? And will social media make a big enough difference to make it worth your while? Well, you have to answer some key questions. Who are your potential customers? What are their personas? Where do they hang out on social media? Then there's the question of paid advertising. Should you consider a paid search on social media or search agents like Google? Should you hone in on a few platforms or make use of all of them? And if you decide on just a few, which ones will suit you best? All very important factors to consider. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!